That is a perfect line.
That feels horrible.
So far?
Yeah.
Par 4, 350 yards. We're going to drive it because we're not pussy holes.
That's a perfect layout! Look at where he's rolling to!
Yeah, got it.
That was a perfect layout.
Way up.
What are you laughing at? I saved your tears, well.
You mean to do that?
Yeah, it was a stinger.
I'll just back the ground and make it sting.
That's my special called a bowling ball stinger.
Oh, bit of pick and mix and blood in.
Oh, imagine getting one of those sour sweet eatiness.
Oh, no! My finger just hurt. Keep thinking about that.
Don't itch your ass, you'll get some barbecue sauce in it. What is this round of golf?
Why is that gone?
Right, hit it now. Oh, you put me banner up. Oh, Finn, no.
Playing this round, I don't feel like I'm playing golf. You're about to do it.
Tired.
Yeah, you're aiming at 13
Oh, wow.
More deep.
Every time Sam does a shot, I'm gonna hit one this week.
I'm bleeding. Yes, that's me somewhere. That's my fault. That's a nice shot. Right.
Point on.
That's fine.
Sam's got his 56 out. I just did the first decent shot of this round so far.
I did a good drive.
Good count, right? Well easy. Sam's putting from about 100 foot away. Not too bad.
Downhill, Dan.
Who's downhill, Dan?
Oh, get in that hole! Oh, not a bit premature. I'm just going to use it put of the hole then. I'm bleeding, I'm like bleeding.
Sam's blaming he's bleeding. Bit hard.
Is that our hole next?
Yeah, we go up there. I think.
Hurry up.
Yeah, Sam got a 13 on that hole.
Right, we're on hole 5. Are we on hole 5?
I think so.
150 yards from here. I'm gonna hit your 8 iron. Where's this ball now?
It's not. It's not gone anywhere. I hit it there, ball it there.
It hasn't gone anywhere. It's on green.
Shot though, I hit it there and my ball was there. Sam's using my 8 iron.
All trees are out.
Hit it into back trees. Don't know where it went. I think I saw it bounce back left. Don't know. No one's defeated me when I've been in this stance.
Oh, that's a nice shot. It might be too long though. Yes. It's coming back. It's coming back.
Sam's found his ball. He's in a bit of a ditch. He's probably going to hit a tree and it's going to go further into it once. We didn't get it far enough to hit a tree. Oh! Bit long.
It's chip in for free.
I didn't get underneath that very much. I kind of just hit it with the edge.
Pick it up. What was that for?
5!
1, 2.
I've got 2 foot start in there.
Ball.
What?
It's 2 ball.
Oh yeah, it's a good ball that is. It's downhill. Go in.
Oh!
Sam is...
What was that? What stopped that?
The ground, gravity, I don't know.
Camera might have to go away if it gets a bit worse. 3:15. The flag's just behind this first tree.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
You can see it whispering in the wind.
Right.
I'm gonna fucking pull up. Camera might have to go away if it gets a bit worse. 3:15. The flag's just behind this first tree.
Is it?
Yeah. You can see it whispering in the wind.
Right.
I'm gonna pull up it into that barn.
You're still not back no.
Right, I laid up with driver, a nice little my signature bowling strike again,
And you bounced out.
and bounced out. I hit the pin I was aiming for. That is exactly where you were aiming.
Where's that gone?
Straight over into them bushes, about 800 miles.
That better?
A little bit. That's better.
That feels alien.
That is
feels
a
horrible.
That is a perfect line.
That feels horrible.
Just try hit the ball.
Ah!
Sam's trying to steal my signature bowling move.
That felt horrible.
I'm filming from here, it's too cold. Look at your hybrid. They're about 170 downwind.
You're chatting I'm miles away.
150!
That's flash back, that tree now.
Alright then, you just do it, see what happens.
I'm punching it on anyway, you've seen where it's for.
Alright. Calm down. green! Really? Jesus Christ!
That's what I wanted.
It's like ring Twister or Tornado, whatever the film is. Super Volcano.
Sharknado. Sam's hitting a soft 7.
Gee, look at that. Oh yeah, look, that's very inviting green, that isn't it?
It's well easy to get on, you just got to bounce it off them umps.
I'm bleeding, that's why I'm playing rubbish.
What were your excuse last round?
I'm just rubbish.
Oh, that's good.
Oh!
Going hole. Sam's just got an eagle. Or a birdie even.
So, 58 for Dan.
Rain man.
That's good.
Oh.
Oh.
Clipped it a bit too clean. Sam's just sent back edge at green after his 7-iron shot. It's good. It's freezing. Pick it up. One, two, three, four, five. Not doing too bad to say that I'm doing absolutely. Go in.
My goodness, how is that a 5?
I'll give you that. We didn't get it far enough to hit a tree.